Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to complete the inside of the resource journal page 1 that you completed. Last time we met we did the standard algorithm for multiplying numbers, and today we're going to use the box method for partial products. This is something you're familiar with and something that you learned in 4th grade and we've been practicing here in 5th grade. Go ahead and open up to your page 1 of your resource journal. And once you get to page 1, open up your flaps and make your very first flap look like this, the inside. Make your second one look like this one, and make your third one look like this. You can press pause if you'd like so that you can make sure that the inside of your flap looks exactly like mine. Once you're done creating the boxes, I want you to take a look at the very first one. The very first one was 27 times 6. And I want to use the same color scheme so that I can remember the fact that the blues are ones, the orange stands for the tens, the red is 100, and the, let's see, we have green over here is thousands, and the black is 10,000. Now let's take a look at the first box that we have here where we multiply 27 times 6. Notice how I already used orange for the 2 tens and then blue for the 7 ones. And let's take a look again to review. It's 27 times 6. So again, using my blue, I'm going to put a 6 there. And then down at the bottom, I'm not going to solve it yet, by the way. Down in the middle one, we have 33 times 18. Well, I'm going to have to set it up so I can see my 33, 3 tens, 3 ones, and my 18, 1 10, and 8 ones. I'm using the orange for the tens and the blue for the ones. So watch me as I do that. 33, 3 tens, 3 ones, times 18, and that would be 1 10, 8 ones. And then down at the bottom, we have 459 times 36. Here we have 100, 400. So I'm going to get red to show 400. Let me double check to see what 59. So 5 tens, 9 ones, right? Let me double check. Yep, 9 ones. Oops. And then times 36. So 3 tens and 6 ones. Make sure that yours looks exactly like mine, and that you're able to, make any corrections if you need to. Now, you've been doing this box method using partial products for a while now. In fact, I think you even did it in 4th grade. So what I'd like for you to do is once yours is set up exactly like mine, I want you to press pause and then come back to check your answers. So go ahead and press pause and solve all 3 of the problems using the box method for partial products. Okay, so now that you have completed the inside, the partial products for each of the boxes, this is how it should look. I should have 120 and 42 as partial products for the first one. And then you can see the partial products for the second one. And the partial products for the third one. I kept using the colors to code to keep track of each of the place values. If you used a regular pencil to solve the inside, to solve the partial products, it might be helpful to go over it with a colored pencil so that yours looks like mine. If you haven't done so yet, now I want you to solve it. So just put, the answer right here. So for example, for this one, I see that I have a total of 2 ones. I have a total of 6 tens, and I have a total of 100, and I'm going to circle it so that I know that the product of 27 times 6 is 162. Go ahead and do that for the other ones as well if you haven't done so yet. Press pause so that you can solve them.
Okay, so here are the last two products. The product of the second one is 594, and the product of the last one is 16,524. A lot of you are probably doing a fairly good job using the box method for partial products, but you can always come back to this resource if you ever forget how to do one of these steps. Make sure that your resource journal is neat. Make sure that that you have completed everything so that every single thing is correct. And remember, worst case scenario, if you feel your resource journal page is not up to the expectations of your teacher, you can always tear out that page and start all over again. I know it's quite a lot of work to do something over again, but that is the right thing to do whenever you feel it is not up to your expectations or the expectations of others. Bye-bye for now.